The lightweight Mopster 2.0 Bucketless mop offers versatile cleaning capabilities, including better control with less hand fatigue. A sophisticated plunge valve applicator provides precision solution dispensing and efficiency. A no-slip grip bottle design is easy to handle and fill. The convenient low solution indicator window shows users when it's almost time to refill. An injection molded handle cover features a top bumper for hanging the Mopster 2.0, a smooth finish grip that allows the user's hand to slide while mopping, and a yellow 3-inch trigger which can be more easily depressed than a single button at the top. When pressed, a single-click pressure-activated trigger allows cleaning solution to flow freely through the valve cap. When the trigger is released, the flow stops. The Mopster 2.0 bottle has a no-slip grip for easy handling, a wide top cap that is tethered to the bottle, and a strong hanging loop for storage on a hook. The curved wide-mouth bottle is easy to fill in any utility sink. To install the bottle, simply place the bottom of the bottle in the cradle and gently press down until the bottle meets resistance. Then firmly push the bottle in the rest of the way to ensure a tight fit. A sturdy 4-inch pivot assembly allows for easy cleaning under furniture. The frame attachment assembly easily loosens to switch frames. An 18-inch microfiber mop pad is included with the Mopster 2.0. The Mopster 2.0 Bucketless mop ships with one mop, one 32-ounce solution container including one top cap with hanging loop and valve cap, one 18-inch frame, one 18-inch microfiber mop pad, and one sheet of removable decals for identifying cleaning solutions.